Yes, the water is coming from.
Okay. They cook it without the use of salt. So salt is not invited to this holy matrimony of Kumbi business.
When you eat it like this, you like it.
Okay, so we're going to see how it tastes without salt.
Kumbi, a special vegetable that is grown and eaten in Mabilla Pleatua and some part of Cameroun. This is the most popular meal eaten in Mabilla Pleatua, especially in Gembu. This vegetable is not grown in other parts of northern or southern Nigeria, which makes it very special to the people living here. Aliyu has invited us into his family house to experience how this food is prepared and eaten. We are currently watching our Northern Nigeria documentary series. Hope you have seen the other episode. If you haven't, please do check them out.
Test it.
Test the leaf raw.
I should test it. Is it testable?
It's testable. You can test it.
As long as you know key, you know the key.
No, okay. Yeah.
Testable.
How does it taste?
Not.
It tastes like
The real vegetable.
People call it kangana. You know garden egg.
Garden
Garden egg.
egg.
Garden egg leaf. That's how it tastes. Oh, this is so nice. Nice. Alright. Are we finished, Amo?
Before we take and do soup, no finish am.
No finish them before we take and do soup. We go.
Don't mind the guy. Yeah, Atsuko man is attacking the kid. We have to eat for soup, not for you to eat.
In traditional way, locally like this, we don't put anything inside.
Just cook it straight like this.
Just cook it straight with palm oil.
Okay. That one will
Salt
give
and
blood.
palm
Oh. Woo! That will give plenty blood. If you eat that like that, blood though. How often are they look for blood to come here?
It takes 3 to 4 days
Yes.
for it to grow.
Yes.
Okay.
So what takes it to 4 days?
If you plant this,
If you plant this,
Yes.
3 to 4 days, okay, to come out.
yes, to come out.
Okay, but for it to mature,
How long
takes
does it take?
a while.
To mature, they will be. Kunji sati ne. To baraga kunji sati ne.
1 week.
Yeah,
1 week?
Yeah, give her a
For it to start
brother.
harvesting.
Oh, that means it grows very fast.
No.
Just do short, about 50 something seconds.
Since one in the Melania, we don't know when I don't very said what a maggie made men jagan there.
Me, I just saw the tomato.
Hey, to a foot tomato can yard and move.
Yadata.
Tomato got yard. One hiding at
What a manja de mata.
one and manja de mata.
We are with a beautiful family, like, you don't understand. They invited us in, and they're preparing their local delicacy called Kumbi, which is you guys see here. My partner in crime is helping us to pluck. He's eating all the leaf before they prepare it.
See, you're calling me goat there. You just called me goat. No problem.
Oh, guys, it's so nice to be here, I'm telling you.
Alright, guys, so
You continue from where you stop.
our Kumbi is getting ready. So, this is it. So, when you get the chance to visit Mabilla, please
Kumbiro-
you can test this
Kumbiro
out.
to 40 what I said.
Those of you who are subscribing to my channel, I'm going to send some to your house. But if you don't subscribe, no Kumbi for
No
you.
Kumbi for you.
Kumbi for you. Don't subscribe if you want Kumbi. It is washed. And of course, you guys know you can eat it raw like this. If you want. Onion has been called into action. Red oil has followed. Red oil too has been called into action. So we'll see who else is coming into this matrimony of Kumbi business. We are currently inside the kitchen, and right now the food is actually being prepared right there. So you can see
I want to ask
how this place looks like. This is how our kitchen really looks like, basically, in the villages. Alright, so the fire is getting on.
Local cooking.
Yes, as local way we cook right here, as you can see.
There's water that will come out.
Even they need add water, so the water is coming from the Kumbi.
Yes, the water is coming from the
Okay.
So the water from the Kumbi will enter and come out of the water. Okay, so Madi is being called into action.
Yes.
To make it very sweet.
Yes.
Right?
But we don't put salt.
You don't put what? Salt?
Yeah.
Why?
We don't use salt in Kumbi.
Okay, so you put the salt when eating it? Or you don't
like,
even put?
But
Yes, we like.
if you like, but Kumbi, you don't normally put salt.
Okay, but because without salt, how would the food be tasty?
It will be tasted. When you eat it, you hear it.
Okay. Today I'm going to confirm food without salt. This two?
Yeah.
Okay.
The grounded corn.
Grounded corn.
And it gets thicker.
It has been thicker now. I will not leave it so that
So currently I'm preparing tuwo. So tuwo is prepared using corn flour, and that's what we're going to use to eat the Kumbi vegetable soup that has been prepared. All right. Oh boy, this is not an easy job. Oh. To shoot this thing is not easy in the smoke. Women they try you. To do kitchen work not easy. Smoke won't kill me. We are all sitting down and we are waiting for the food to get done so we can eat. See these men, they are hungry men, they are very, very hungry. Everybody here is hungry.
You that is even exhausted. Hunger has exhausted this, my brother.
I've lost my voice.
Hunger
wants to kill me. I've lost my voice. Please go and subscribe to my channel. Otherwise, I'll bring this Kumbi soup. I'll bring everything to your house.
very easy, right? And you put her away here.
Thank you, man. I never test though. Don't say my brother, they like cheat me. Don't start the chop the food before I come. Sign the application quick. Like, wait, I said don't let you. They see him. As you did, they cheat me since. Let it continue now. No problem. It's okay. So, people should not mind this guy eating. No? He didn't even wait for me. After about almost 45 minutes of preparing the Kumbi soup and then the corn flour, is finally ready. So this is how the soup looks like, basically. As you can
That's
see.
what my brother used to do when I used to carry the soup. You see what he did? He has carried the thing now, so that I will not eat.
I'm only showing it on camera, but see, he has cut everything. That's his way. Yeah, no problem. It's okay. I know he's very hungry. You know, you guys know that yesterday he fainted. He used to faint quickly, so it's okay. He can eat everything himself.
Guys, I'll put a clip of where he fell by the river, so that you know who fainted between me and him. Wisdom was profitable to direct. I didn't climb. He came back and fainted.
I did not faint. I was doing it for the camera. The video has to be very emotional, so that I can have subscribers. That's the main thing. They subscribe.
Yeah, you want to scam people. You fainted.
Oh my God!
This is nice though.
I'm chewing anything, man.
Omo.
You're not joining the business. Go wash your hands. See what happened.
Bros, wash your hand now. Who eat now? See, I go rather like Jacob and Kevin because no chicken.
They do big man.
They do big man. No one join us job. Okay.
Man, this thing is so sweet. Okay? You don't try. You don't video where it's okay. Go and wash your hand. Go and wash your hand. Go and wash your hand. Come and eat. I'm not going to do video killer. Alright, so this was an incredible experience. Experiencing how Kumbi is being prepared and having to be a part of preparing the Kumbi soup and also joining in eating it. The soup was very delicious. It tastes a little bit bittersweet, just like bitter leaf soup, but very nutritious as well, and really enjoyed it. So I'm very totally grateful to this family for allowing us to come into their home and experience this delicious Kumbi food, which is particularly
unique to the people of Mabilla Pleatua. All right. So if you have enjoyed this video, you know what to do. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, share it so that more people can get to see this video all around the world. All right. So what we are doing here is to promote a beautiful culture that Nigeria have. All right. So if you want to learn more about adventure, about Nigeria, you can check out the channel. We'll have lots and lots of content there. And for Taraba State, Mabilla Pleatua in particular, there are a lot of playlists. You can just check the playlist and you'll find all the videos there. All right, please help me share this video because we have to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of April. All right, so let's go.
All right, so we really just want to thank Mama for giving us the opportunity to come into his home, enjoy the Kumbi food, the Kumbi soup, and the corn soup. Everything tastes very nice. The other thing I want to say, thank you.
Hajat, now for allowing us to help you pluck the Kumbi because
Yes.
at least we have a good experience.
I have experience of plucking Kumbi. At least that was very special.
And allowing us into your kitchen.
It's not easy.
Thank you.
It's not easy.
Thank you very much. Man, this food is not here.
You can't go with
Sherry, I can't go with you.
okay.
They block me. Come on.
I have to stop because if I continue, this guy's not easy. Because where I go, where I was going.
You need to stop because you started eating before us. Please tell them the truth. Don't be lying to your subscribers. You need to stop.
At least
You started eating before us. Don't say you need to stop. Say it complete. This food is not food you're eating and you're talking. Maybe they cheated us. It's not fair.